Hello, welcome to Krishi Vigyan Tube YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about intercropping system of some important vegetable for integrated pest management that can easily practiced by our farmers. First of all, we have to know about what is intercropping. So, intercropping is growing of two or more crops simultaneously in alternative row or otherwise in the same area. Mainly, we are using trap crop for pest management biologically. Pest can be controlled about 60 to 70% through this method. Many Kharif and Rabi season vegetables like cabbage, tomato, brinjal, chili, etc. are practiced through this method. Now, I will discuss about cabbage intercropping system. There are many vital pests that can be easily controlled by trap crop system like first intercropping practice is cabbage marigold intercropping. Through this method, we can easily control nematodes. Here, main crop is cabbage and trap crop is marigold. Main crop and trap crop ratio is 2:1. That means 2 row of cabbage and 1 row of marigold alternatively. Next practice is cabbage onion intercropping. Through this method, we can easily control aphids. Main crop trap crop ratio is 3:1. That means 3 row of main crops and 1 row of onion. Next practice is cabbage mustard intercropping. Through this method, we can easily control diamondback moth. Here, main crop and trap crop ratio is 25:1. That means 25 row of cabbage and 1 row of mustard. Next intercropping practice is cabbage radish. Through this method, we can easily control flea beetle. Here, main crop and trap crop ratio is 15:1. That means 15 row of cabbage and 1 row of radish. Next vegetable is tomato. First practice of tomato cabbage intercropping. Tomato cabbage intercropping. Here, tomato is main crop and cabbage is trap crop. Through these practices, we can easily control up to 60% attack of diamondback moth larva. Here, trap crop main crop ratio is 3:1. That means we all know 3 row of tomato and 1 row of cabbage alternatively. Next practice is tomato marigold intercropping. Here, we can easily control tomato fruit borer. The main crop and trap crop ratio is 3:1. That means 3 row of tomato and 1 row of marigold. Next vegetable is brinjal. First brinjal intercropping practice is brinjal marigold intercropping. You can also use okra. Through these practices, we can easily control fruit borer of brinjal. Here, main crop and trap crop ratio is 10:1. That means 10 row of brinjal and 1 row of marigold or okra. Practice is brinjal coriander intercropping. By this process, we can easily control shoot borer or fruit borer of brinjal. Main crop and trap crop ratio is 2:1. That means 2 row of brinjal and 1 row of coriander. Next vegetable is chili. First intercropping practice chili brinjal. Through this process, we can easily control Apis gossypii. The main crop and trap crop ratio is 10:1. That means 10 row of chili and 1 row of brinjal. Next is chili sunflower intercrop practices. Through this process, we can easily control mealybug. Main crop tap crop ratio is 10:1. Same here. That means 10 row of chili and 1 row of sunflower.